So here at the Digital Greenhouse, we are all about building partnerships with industry to move us forward around digital skills and opportunities, particularly for young people. And the Digital Innovator Programme is an example of this partnership. Working with First Central Group, young people have had the opportunity to work on ideathons and activities throughout the academic year, building new skills, not only digital skills but also soft skills of team building, problem solving, and working towards building solutions using technology.
So here at First Central, we like to believe that we make a difference in the communities in which we operate, and part of that is to create a sustainable career path for technical people.
With those students that have taken part in this programme, they've been able to see what we cover at college is actually real-world applications, so they're able to mar the classroom with real-world experiences. They've really benefited from working alongside industry experts, and they've gained interesting insights, experiences, and a bit of mentorship along the way.